Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can use any pictures of yourself to create a very professional image like this one, suitable to attach to your LinkedIn profile, in your avatars, your CV to make everything professional. I found that you can use AI to create this right on Gemini Nano Banana. So I will show you very quick in this video. You can see this picture over here is a random selfie person that I found in the internet, and I will take this image to make an example for you guys. But first of all, you need to go to Gemini interface over here and you will choose the option called Create Image. It will enable Nano Banana to generate image. I will upload the original image that we need to generate from. Now for the prompt, I already prepared over 40 prompts in many kind of style, many kind of clothes that you can easily copy and paste to Gemini to generate a professional image. I will leave this prompt in the description or in the comment section of the video. So right now, I will copy a random prompt over here. I will copy this one and I will come back to Gemini. I will paste this prompt over here and I will choose submit, and let's see how the image look. Okay, you can see here the quality is really nice. It looks very professional, and the detail of this image compared to the original image is not too similar, but it's still very good quality. I will test another prompt and paste here and then submit. You can see we have another professional image and the background is very good. It looks very professional and it looks very high quality. I will copy some outdoor prompt like this, come back to Gemini, paste and submit again. And you can see it's very beautiful. The quality is really nice for me. I will copy another one. This one is different mood and expression. So I will try copy this one. And let's see how the qualities look. There you can see it's very similar to the prompt, a portrait image with very serious face. If you want to modify something that relate to the image that's generated over here, you can type in your prompt and then ask Gemini to edit for you. I want Gemini to change this man smiling a little bit, so I will type in my prompt and let's see the result. Okay, you can see compared to this image, after I asked Gemini to edit the image, this guy was smiling a little bit. The quality of this image is really good, and the quality of Nano Banana is very good. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.